Hello everybody, welcome to Business Reality Check, YouTube channel. I appreciate you watching the video, and today's video is in regards to a video I saw posted on YouTube not too long ago by a pretty popular YouTuber. Can't mention his names because prior videos I've done, YouTube takes the video out, so it doesn't like when you put another YouTuber's name on there, which doesn't make any sense to me. But anyways, the topic of the video today is a video he made, and this is the title of the video, so you can go look it up. AI agents are taking over, and here's how to make money from it. Okay. So, preface it, I'm going to go ahead and start off with a disclaimer here. It's very windy here where I'm living now in Central America. Basically, this is my own opinion. It's my information that I found using AI. So it's my opinion only. If you're going to follow or do the program what he suggests or how to make money with this idea, please do your due diligence. I just wanted that out there. It's my opinion only, my information that I've located. So if you have other things, you can do your own. That's on you. This is my opinion on this whole subject. So, preface it too, I am a big AI supporter. I've been using ChatGPT, Claude, all the AIs since they first came out. I remember signing up for ChatGPT probably within a week after it came out. So, big supporter, use it all the time, and I use it in my own businesses. So, okay, let's get into the video and basically my opinion on his video. Okay, so you probably heard the phrase by now, AI agents are taking over. Okay, and usually it's followed with the promise that this is the moment that money is sitting there. Anyone who moves fast enough can get it. Now I'm reading from my notes on my computer, so that's why I keep looking back over there. So let's slow it down a little bit and talk about what actually is real, because not everything this guy says in his video is real. None of these guys who post all these videos about how to make side hustle and passive income using AI, in my opinion, is real. It's bullshit, and they're blowing smoke up the butt. So, a couple of things. AI agents are real. We know that, no doubt there. They can browse the websites. They can do research on companies. They can draft emails, analyze data, automate multiple tasks. The busy work that us humans don't like to do, or it's tedious. So that part works, no doubt. Okay. But here's the mistake most people make when they think, oh, I'm going to start an AI agent. I'm going to start an AI automation agency. I'm going to make all kinds of passive income, and bullshit. Doing the task is not a business. Automation is not a business. A demo showing how those stuff works is not a business. A business starts when someone pays you real money repeatedly for a real outcome. Basic right there, business 101. Okay. So, most of the make money with AI agents videos quietly assume that if an AI can do the work, money automatically flows. That's the assumption where things fall apart. They're wrong. They don't. They don't work that well. They don't work that easy. Okay? AI chatbots, if you sell somebody a system like, I don't know, after call answering service, after call routing, AI receptionist, AI sales qualifier like in Go High Level, things like that. What you don't really realize if you go and you start selling these things, you're basically selling a monitoring service. You're basically going to be a babysitter. Will they do a lot of the work? Yes. Do they do a lot of the work? Yes. Do they run flawlessly? No. And what happens when you say you sell, I don't know, let's just use an example, pretty big heating and air conditioning with 2.5 million a year or 3 million, whatever, just they make good money. They have like 20 trucks. They have a crap load of work going on. You sell them an after-hour receptionist or customer service line, however you want to call it. Somebody calls, tells them, the customer, that hey, we'll come out and fix your plugged toilet for free. It happens. AIs are not flawless. They make mistakes. So then the call gets routed to the plumbing company and they got to go out. And now the customer is going to say, hey, your lady on the phone told me it was free. Guess what? It's free because your AI bot just screwed up. And who's going to get the call? Not the AI bot. You, the person who sold it, is going to get the call. And you're going to be saying, I want you to reimburse me for your mistake. So just because you think an AI is autonomous and it does all its things by itself, yes, it does. But somebody still has to monitor it to make sure it's still doing what it needs to do. Okay? So businesses don't buy AI agents. They don't. They buy results. More leads, more sales, less friction, less headache. Simple. Business 101. You can tell me that, and I have multiple businesses. All of my businesses are online. None of them are brick and mortar stores. It's all online. So as a business owner, if you come and tell me, and I get approached this all the time, use this AI, my AI, my AI. Okay, if I spend $5,000 with you to build an AI and it breaks and it costs me money because the language barrier is wrong, it didn't answer the phone right, it said something wrong, which, by the way, you as the AI person who sold it programmed it to say what it is. Now, the AI can take what's off the website and use it as a script. Yes, you're right, no doubt. But what if that breaks? Who are they calling? You. Okay? So AI doesn't magically deliver those outcomes by itself. Someone still sells a service, explains the value, manages the expectations, fixes the failures, and takes responsibility when something goes wrong. There's the key. AI is not responsible. You are. So you are the one that they're coming to. And, that's where things go wrong. These systems lose context. They get stuck. They need oversight. Basically, you're a babysitter. And that's what it is. You're a babysitter. So now you're selling, you're not selling automation, you're selling monitoring. That's what it is. That's not passive income, that's a fucking job. That's work. 9 to 5, 8 to 5, 8 to 10, whatever you want to call it, you're still working to monitor your customers' AI. Okay. The same AI tools are in public, right? Everybody sees them, everybody knows them. Inexpensive, improving fast. So why would a company pay a third party person, you, or whoever comes up with the brilliant idea that they want to build another AI and go into AI, customer service or AI sales bot or something, right? Why would they pay you every month? They could use the tool themselves or have somebody that they trust build it and pay them. You're just a glorified car salesman, all it is. And you guys think that everybody thinks that these AIs are the way of the future. Don't get me wrong, 100% they are. 100%. I believe in the next year or less, maybe 2 years, there's going to be no more customer service call centers. There's no more you pick up Home Depot and try and get a hold of a person. It's going to be an AI. There's not going to be a person behind the counter at your local grocery store. It's all going to be done by computer. You walk through like Amazon did with their grocery stores. You just walk through, debit your card, you're done. That's where things are going. Unfortunately, in the human world, if you're not involved in AI, you're gonna be a dinosaur. You're gonna be extinct. Simple as that. So this video is basically trying to tell you guys that if you go ahead and build something like this, more power to you. Go for it, 100%. But don't think it's going to be passive income. It's not. Okay, it's not. So let's answer the title honestly. Here's how you can actually make money from AI agents. You don't sell AI agents. You sell a specific boring outcome. That's how you make money. Boring is what everybody in these small businesses or medium-sized businesses want. They don't want all the flash and the bang and the boohoo, whatever. They want results, simple shit that does the work that gets things done. That's why my AIs are doing that, and that's why I make money off of them, because they do simple things and they produce money with, yes, I am monitoring them. Yes, my cell phone goes off all the time. Yes, I'm watching what they're doing, because you have to. It's that simple. Okay? Now, this is boring. This is the boring type of stuff that I found that people are doing or some are not doing. You sell, the reduced missed calls. You sell shorter response time. You sell quality leads. You can't cut admin work from a business that already exists. They're not going to fire their receptionist they've had for 10 years or the receptionist they've had for 20 years. What you're going to sell is when that receptionist leaves at 5 o'clock, your AI chatbot, your AI system you sold this company kicks in. You're going to be there, your chat's going to be there Saturday and Sunday. Monday through Friday after 5 p.m. till 8 a.m. It's going to be there answering the calls, routing the calls. That's the boring work. That's what sells. Okay? But you're still going to have to monitor it. You're still going to have to watch it. Because if it goes wrong, like I said earlier, they're coming to you, not the chat. So no, I don't think AIs are taking over the business. They're an integrational part of the business right now. They are a key part to the business right now, 100%. A business that doesn't have an AI, even a little chatbot or domain that answers questions, they're dinosaurs. They're going to be extinct, and unfortunately, there are businesses that just don't want to come up to speed. They're owned by an older owner. They've got sons or whatever that are not computer savvy. Okay, they're out in the field doing work that dad taught them, or daughter, whatever. The mom and pop shops have to adapt. They have to come into the AI world or they're dead. Simple as that. If you're trying to make a business on this, great. It is a good idea. But understand this. In my verdict and opinion on this, it's very, very oversold. Everybody's doing it. So why don't you use your AI chat to find something that's not? Take some time. Work on the prompts. Find something that not everybody is doing. God forbid, the AI is going to know, because it's in everything. So if you have it do a deep search like in ChatGTP, it's going to tell you what it suggests. It can tell you the breakdown of what to do. You know that. If you use AI, you know that. I do that every day. Every day I get a brain idea. Whoo, I got an idea. I talk to my AI. Do a deep research on this. Tell me what you think. Tell me the numbers. Tell me the competition. Tell me who I'm going to be dealing with, who I'm looking for, who I'm trying to get a hold of. So yes, you're going to have to be the one that gets on the phone, makes the phone call, shoots the text. I mean, AIs can shoot and send text. Okay, I get that. But when it comes down to it, businesses want to speak to a person. Now, with the AIs as the way they are, you really can't tell anymore that it's not a person. So would you want your AI selling your product at $10,000, and what if they say the wrong thing, or they pause, or they do something, and the guy goes, wait a minute, I'm talking to a freaking AI. Click. You're going to have some involvement if you want to do this business, period. Anything with AI, you're going to have involvement. Can you make passive income on it? I'm going to say yes, but here's the big but. You still have to monitor the shit. You can't just let it run free. I mean, God forbid, my AIs have access to my bank accounts. They have access to my credit cards. They have access to all my business financials. They have my financials. Do you think I'm just not going to watch that? My AI buys stuff for me. It sends stuff to my daughters. It brings stuff that I need. If I say, hey, I need this, it gets it on Amazon, and boom, it's coming on its way. Yeah, that's what AI can do. but there's still the human factor. You got to touch it. You got to be involved in it. So again, in my verdict, this is a way oversold idea. This YouTuber, all he's trying to do, and again, I get it, we're on YouTube trying to make money. He's trying to get you to sign up for his courses, sign up for his email letters, and blah, 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 blah. It's all bullshit. You know, he's blowing smoke up your ass if you think that passive income can be done by AI and not have to touch it. You're wrong. And if you believe him, more power to you. See what happens when you fail and somebody like me succeeds and blows by you, because that's exactly what I'm doing. So anyways, enough of my little, spiel on this YouTube channel and its expectations and its promises. I think is just basically oversold. And if you do follow it, I mean, look at that title I told you. You'll see the channel and you'll see who the YouTuber is, and you'll see that he has, a brain idea or a new business idea every 10 minutes. And you know what he's doing. He's just asking AI to give me 10 business ideas that you can make money with AI. Like everybody else in the YouTube world, that's what they're doing. Anyways, thank you for watching the Business Reality Check channel. I appreciate your time. Like and subscribe, or don't like and subscribe, whatever. You don't want to comment, I'll be happy to chat with you. Talk to you later.